Hello creators! In this After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to create this paintbrush slide animation in After Effects. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this slide animation. Create a new solid layer. This will be our background layer. For this background, add the fill effect. Set fill color as shown. Now create duplicate of this background layer. Add the fractal noise effect. For fractal noise, set contrast to 60. In transform, set scale to 500. Now add CC burn film effect. At start, create keyframe for burn. At 2 seconds, set burn to 25. You can set the effects point according to your choice. For this background layer, let's set mode to multiply. Now add the paintbrush media to the timeline. Add curves for this media file. Adjust the curves as shown. For this paintbrush, set opacity to 70%. Scale it to 150%. Rotate it to -40 degrees. Change mode to overlay. Now add the brush 00 media to the timeline. Scale it to 250%. Set rotation to -40 degrees. For paintbrush, change track matte to Luma inverted matte. Now add the ink drop media to the timeline. Change mode to screen. For ink drop, add the tint effect. For tint, set the matte black color as shown. Now add invert. Let's scale this ink to 50%. Set opacity to 60%. Now position it as shown. Now create duplicate of this ink drop. Change tint color to solid black. Remove the invert. Change mode to multiply. Rotate it to 80 degrees. Scale it to 95%. Position it as shown. Perfect. Add the second ink drop media. Change mode to multiply. Now add tint effect. Set map color as shown. Scale it to 50%. Set opacity to 60%. Position it as shown. Now create duplicate of ink media. Change mode to lighten. Now add the invert. Scale it to 100%. Slightly adjust the rotation. You can see the preview. Now let's add the media to the timeline. Here you are free to use image or video of your choice for this slide animation. Now add the rust media to the timeline. Scale it. Change mode to Silhouette Luma. Now create a new adjustment layer. Now add tint. Now add curves. Slightly adjust the curves as shown. Select Adjustment, Rust, and Media file. Precompose it. Now add the cartoon effect to the media composition. Now change mode to Pin Light. Now add the Brush 1 media to the timeline. For media, change track matte to Luma inverted matte. Now again add media composition to the timeline. Add cartoon effect. Change mode to linear light. For media, select Ellipse tool. Create mask as shown. Now adjust the mask feather and expansion as shown. Add the Brush 1 media to timeline. For brush, add the warp effect. Now rotate the brush to 80 degrees. For media, change track matte to Luma inverted matte. Adjust the scale value depending on your media. Place this media and brush layer at 1 second. You can see the preview. Again, add the media composition to the timeline. Add cartoon effect. Now add the tint effect. Set map white color to the highlight color you want to use. Change mode to vivid light. Now add the brush 2 media to the timeline. Now add warp effect. Set bend to 14. Set horizontal distortion to 100. Now rotate it as shown. Scale it. For media, change track matte to Luma inverted matte. Here you are free to adjust the rotation, scale, and position for the brush media. Place this media and brush layer to 1 second and 10 frames. Now add the film noise to timeline. Change mode to add. Now change all layers to 3D. Create new camera. Create null object. Change null to 3D. Parent camera to null. For null, create position keyframe at the end. Now at start. Increase the Z position as shown. Perfect. Select all layers. Pre-compose them. Now add the brush mask media to timeline. For slide, change track matte to Luma inverted matte. Here you can change the rotation and scale to change the effect and direction. Now create a new adjustment layer. Add vibrance. Set saturation to 15. Now add tint. Set color as shown. Set amount of tint to 10%. Add noise. Set amount of noise to 10%. Now add curves. Slightly adjust the curves as shown. Now add cinematic frame. Create a new solid. Select rectangle tool. Double-click to create mask. For mask, change path. Set unit to percent of source. Set top to 10%. Set bottom to 90%. Perfect. Now let's see the complete preview. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is how you can create your paintbrush animation. Thank you.